as y'all see, my balance is $230. And for the month of February so far, I've made $133. Make money on Flip, okay? There is a new app. It's called Flip. You can get paid to scroll. You can get paid through commission, but we're going to get into all of that, okay? Stay tuned for the video. I'm going to give you guys advice. I'm going to give you guys tips on my personal experience. But before we get into that, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Rika. I'm a pink lover. I'm a serial entrepreneur. I help people start businesses. I help people grow businesses. Lashes, lip gloss, vending machines, I do it all. So if you are looking to start a business, if you're looking to get into vending machines, everything is available on my website. I currently have on Solar and my brown lip pencil and mascara. All products are available retail and wholesale, okay? So make sure you subscribe to my channel if you are a business owner or looking to start a business, because I drop free tip videos every single week. And if you're not new, welcome back. You guys already know I have my notes. So we're going to get straight into it. So Flip is a new app, you guys. I got introduced to Flip from a friend of mine who's also a business owner. And at the time, you guys know TikTok was allegedly supposed to be banned. Who knows? They might still ban it. But at the end of the day, you should never be relying on just one platform. As a business owner, as a content creator, you need to be everywhere. Never put your eggs in one basket. So she found this app. She told me about it and I've been working on it. And I'm here to tell you guys. I brought it up in another video and you guys said you wanted videos on it. So first things first, there are 3 ways that you can make money on Flip. So the first way that you can make money on Flip is through commissions. Flip is pretty similar to TikTok Shop, where you get products from TikTok Shop, you do reviews, you post content, unboxing content, and if somebody shops with your video, with your link, just like affiliate marketing, you're able to make a commission per product. So that is one of the ways that you can make money on Flip. The second way that you can make money on Flip is from your content. So just like how you get paid on Instagram, just like how you get paid on Facebook, and you can get paid on TikTok if you're in the Better program, that is just like Flip, except there is no requirements as far as like with TikTok, you have to have X amount of followers to get into the Better program. For Instagram and Facebook, I don't know how they do the requirements, but I know you have to like wait for some type of invite, at least from my experience. Flip is not like that. You're able to create content and post and make money. It doesn't matter how many followers you have. You don't have to hit a certain requirement. It's not the same. So that's honestly better for those of you guys. Even if you don't have a following on Instagram, you can come over to this Flip app and create a whole new audience. Those of you guys that have been wanting to be content creators and make money from social media, this is perfect for you because you don't have to worry about how many followers you have. You don't have to hustle for months to grow your following. You can come on this app and immediately start making money. The third way that you can make money from the Flip app is from scrolling. So yes, you get paid to scroll. Scrolling the feed, you get paid to scroll, but you don't actually get to get the money that you get. So say for example, like if I go on my Flip right now, I have $74 that I made from scrolling. You guys can see it right here, $74. I don't get to cash out that $74. That $74 is a discount that I can use towards purchase. So as you guys can see here, the $74 actually shows up as a reward. So you're able to use it to get a discount when you purchase on the Flip app. So one thing that I will say, if you're watching this video right now and you don't know anything about the Flip app and you're about to download it, you do have to purchase an item to be able to post on the Flip app. So although there's no requirement, like with TikTok, you have to have X amount of followers to be eligible for TikTok Shop or to get paid. For Facebook and Instagram, there's some type of requirement. Their requirement is just to purchase an item, and y'all, they have stuff on there for less than $1. So all you have to do is purchase one item. It doesn't matter what you purchase, and once you purchase that item, it will unlock the feature to where you can now make money. And honestly, I think that that's better from my opinion, because I know even when Instagram started paying me for my content, it took me months. Like I remember it took me months to even get the real bonus and stuff like that. So the fact that I can buy anything on this app, whether it's something that I need or don't need, that's very inexpensive. And once I purchase this, I'm able to now post and make money as a creator. It sounds like a win-win to me. And I'm showing you guys my real receipts. I'm currently at $230 from the creator fund. So for the month of February, I've been very consistent. I hope you guys are able to see, because I do have a privacy screen, but I'm also going to upload screenshots as well. But I just want y'all to see that this is like real receipts. This is not, you know, fake receipts. But the month of February, I've been posting every day. And the fact that I'm already at $133, again, to be able to make this money, you have to purchase a product. So the products that I purchased, y'all, it was less than $10. I've already made the money back. I'm at $230. So you mean to tell me that I only had to buy something for less than $10 and I'm able to make $230, and this I can cash out on? It sounds like a plan to me. I don't gotta wait weeks. I don't gotta wait months. Like, I can immediately purchase the item and start posting. It's a win-win. That I want to say is Flip is not like TikTok Shop and Amazon when it comes to the commission that you can make. And what I mean by that is, say for example, I purchased this lip gloss at Walmart and I'm able to find this exact lip gloss on TikTok Shop and on Amazon. I'm still able to make money from Amazon, and I'm still able to make money from TikTok Shop with this product, because I don't have to purchase from TikTok to tag it. I don't have to purchase from Amazon to get the link. When it comes to the Flip app, you won't be able to do that. You have to actually buy the product from Flip. So one way or another, Flip is gonna get their money. They're not nice like Amazon and TikTok Shop, where you don't even have to buy the item from there. As long as you find the identical item, you can still tag. No. With the Flip app, if you have not purchased the item from the Flip app, I don't care if they have the exact item, you will not be able to make commissions, okay? So now I'm going to show you guys on the Flip app right here. So as you guys see right here, I'm only able to pin these products because these are the 3 products that I purchased from the Flip. Doesn't matter if I bought this mirror and I see this exact mirror, or I see this exact makeup product. It does not matter. If you did not purchase it from Flip, they will not allow you to pin it. So if you do want to make commissions off of Flip, then you do have to purchase it. But like I said, don't forget that you do get paid to scroll. So make sure you scroll on the Flip app, so that way you can generate money so that you can get a discount on your products. Because from the 3 products that I purchased from the Flip app, I did not spend more than $30. And like I just showed y'all, I'm at $230. So technically, I've received a $200 profit. I'm still able to make more money as we speak. Another thing I like too is when you're scrolling on the Flip app, if you scroll for a long period of time, sometimes they do give you free products. And when you do have to make a purchase, of course, but you're able to choose from the selection of free items, or they give you a specific item that you get for free. And as long as you make a purchase, not only do you get that same discount that you got from scrolling and you're able to use that cash, you're also able to get a free item. My advice to you guys that will be downloading the Flip app is to, first off, like I said, definitely find a cheap item that you can purchase so that you can unlock the feature to post. To be honest, like I told you guys, I did purchase 3 items from the Flip app, but the app is still kind of new. It's actually been better now, because when I initially downloaded this app, you guys, it was glitching. It was to the point where when TikTok got banned, everybody was on this app to where I could not even get on the app. Like, I'm talking, it had a whole disclaimer that I had to check back in 10 minutes, but it's no longer giving me that problem. So since I've been on the app for the last 2 weeks, I could definitely say I have not had the issue where it was not allowing me on the app. But one thing that I will say is if I were you guys, I would focus on making that creator money simply by posting content, because I have not really seen any commission from the products that I have purchased from the app. I did purchase 3 products, as I stated, and I do see pending sales, but to be honest, you guys, it'll say pending sales and then it'll disappear. So again, I don't know if this is a glitch or something is still going on with the app, but I've seen where it shows that I've gotten some type of commission, but I don't see the commission. But at the end of the day, if I'm making free money from content I'm already posting on other platforms, I'm not about to stress myself with the commissions. You feel what I'm saying? Like, yes, I would love to make a commission off of products, but I definitely would not say to stress it, because at the end of the day, you don't want to sit here, wait for something to come in, promote it, and you're not seeing no return. At that point, you might as well create content. And honestly, if you are already a content creator like myself, then this is nothing to you. This is like, when I tell y'all free money, this is 100% free money, passive income, because what I've been doing lately, the same content I post on TikTok, you know how TikTok downloads the video and saves it? I literally immediately upload on the Flip app. And lately, I've been posting 3 to 5 TikToks a day, because I work with a lot of TikTok shop companies and get a lot of TikTok shop samples, and I'm posting 3 to 5 times a day on there. So every time I post a video on there, I literally just upload the same video on over to Flip. Another thing that I've been noticing too is a lot of people use content that's not theirs. I highly would not recommend that, because honestly, at the end of the day, you could build a community. Because think about it, like with me, for example, I'm a pink girl, I'm a pink lifestyle girl. All my platforms, my personal platforms, are pink lifestyle, is pink lovers. So I would honestly say to try to build some type of community, because at the end of the day, if somebody sees one of your videos and they follow you, they're going to most likely go on all your videos, and that's more money, because you're getting paid from the views. You're getting paid by people looking at your content. So I feel like you don't necessarily have to niche like, you know, like these other platforms. But if you are trying to really tap into it, I would definitely say to try to follow some type of niche, whether you're posting your meals, whether it's you doing mukbangs, like try to find something to where you're building an audience. At the end of the day, you're building an audience. People are following you for something and stuff. Watch this video all the way to this point. Comment the word flip, so I know that you are a true supporter and you watch my videos all the way through. Let me know if you guys want me to do more videos on the Flip app in the comment section. Like I said, it is a fairly new app. I'm still fairly new on there. I have not even been on there for, I feel like, 60 to 90 days yet. But if you guys do want me to update you guys on more tips and tricks that I learned, definitely let me know. Because at the end of the day, okay, it's all about the multiple streams of income, baby. So make sure you guys check out my other videos, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Bye.